Your guest will be hopping with joy when they're welcomed by this Happy Easter Bunny Ears porch sign project from DesignerStencils.com. First, give your board a couple of coats of a white primer paint combination. Allow the paint to dry completely. If you wish your sign to have a weathered look, take a sander and go over random sections of the board's edge until the undercoat shows through. Be sure to remove any paint dust that remains. Next, place the stencil face down on a protected surface. Spray the underside with Repositionable Spray Adhesive and allow to cure for 30 to 60 seconds. Position the stencil and press into place. Add a few pieces of frog tape painter's tape for extra security. Use small pieces of frog tape to mask off the outline of the bunny ears. Shake your bottle of Melon Americana acrylic paint prior to pouring out a small amount onto a paper plate. After soaking the bristles, remove excess paint using the edge of the plate and by swirling the brush on a stack of paper towels. The bristles should be barely wet. Too much paint will result in bleeding underneath the stencil. Apply the color in light coats using the same swirling motion. Once finished, remove the tape and allow the paint to dry to the touch. Next, mask off the inner portion of the ears. Pour out some black paint on a new paper plate. Begin painting all of the remaining elements as you did earlier with the melon color. Be sure to add the paint using multiple light coats. Once complete, simply remove the tape and peel away the stencil to reveal your fun new Easter porch sign. For more tips and ideas, visit DesignerStencils.com today.